Most people are going to sleep on this presale because they think Seedance 2.5 is already out. It's not. But here's what makes it worth grabbing anyway. Higgsfield opened presale access to Seedance 2.5, and the model itself unlocks in 7 days, not today. What you actually get the moment you claim it is unlimited Seedance, 2 generations in 4K, starting immediately. Then on day 7, you roll straight into unlimited Seedance 2.5 for another 7 days. You're not waiting on anything, you're just stacking 2 model generations into one 14-day window. Here's why 2.5 matters when it lands. It can generate a full 30-second continuous shot, 1 take, no stitching, 4 clips together, and hoping the character doesn't drift halfway through. The model now takes up to 50 references in a single generation pass. Images, video, audio, style boards, text, all fed in together and held consistently through the output. Now here's something most people don't expect from an AI video model. Seedance 2.5 can generate a full music video sequence, scene changes, camera moves, and style, all staying locked together through every cut.
Pay bid jitness, hash wicking bisted, raj wick kissed it, all's wicking fisted, kick and canis, all's wicking red. You know nigga heat is weighted, but you owe some to red. It's a man and make it rain it. It's all like a plane it. Hey, can't share head, can get your game there, bitch I heard enough head. Come get a stay head, bitches turn a night head. I'm rich at 9 shit.
Audio's generated in the same pass as the video now, not bolted on after. Dialogue, footsteps, ambience, already sitting in the file when it comes back to you. Detail retention is noticeably tighter too. Text, hair, small textures holding up frame to frame, about a 20% jump in prompt adherence over 2. Narrative shorts, high motion sequences, music videos, product ads, style transfer, the kind of work where continuity used to be the first thing to break. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 and 4K, then switch to Seedance 2.5 for the next 7 days. So again, Seedance 2.5 unlocks in 7 days, not today. What's live right now is unlimited 4K on Seedance 2, and that clock starts the second you claim this presale. It's limited, so grab it while it's open. If you want to learn more about Seedance 2.5, just head over to Higgsfield and scroll through the page. You'll find more details and video assets there. It's worth a look before the presale window closes, since pricing like this won't stick around.
Time to put these beasts back in their place.